Don't be lazy in learning. Don't be casual in learning. Don't miss the opportunity to learn, that you're not going to miss the information. You're not going to miss the stories. You're not going to miss the details. Here's a couple of parts to it. Number one, your own personal experience, right? If you've had a bad week, just sit down and ponder that for a while. Study it. See if you can't pick up some ideas from a poor week and then make a better week. One way to learn to do it right is do it wrong. I mean, that's one way to learn to do it right. Now the key is don't let it take too long. If you've done it wrong for a year, we suggest that's long enough.